Okay, today we're going to be making Concertina Sketchbooks. Concertina Sketchbooks are sketchbooks which unfold or open up. Some of my students are working on these at the minute, they're creating their projects, and I find it really helpful because it gives them some ownership of the project if they make their own sketchbook, and it's quite simple to do. So you can use the front side, the back side doesn't really matter as you're working through. These are also really great as well if you want to display some really strong student work, or if you want to display some photography that you've been doing, maybe over a set period of time or from a particular holiday, so you can use these to create some photo albums. These are really simple to put together. All you need is 3 bits of paper. It doesn't matter what size they are as long as they are all the same size. And ideally you want a little bit of cardboard or thick cardstock paper that you can use as a front and back cover just to protect the paper inside. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your 3 bits of paper and you're going to fold them across. You're going to smooth out the crease. And then you're going to open them back up. Now, what you want to do is you want to cut this now into 2 pieces of paper. So you can use scissors, you can use a guillotine if you have one. If you just have a metal ruler at home, you can use this as well to do it. So if you put the ruler and tuck it in along the crease, pull the paper across. That's not quite long enough. And you want to repeat this with all 3 bits of paper that you're working with. Okay, so depending on the project size or how big you want the book to be, you can use as many or as few bits of paper that you want. Here I've decided to actually just use 2 bits of paper, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat this over all 4 pieces, is I'm going to fold these in half. Okay, so I've got my 4 bits of paper. What I want to do now is I want to stick them together. In order to stick them together so you have the book opening in a concertina fold, what you want to do is you want to swap the orientation of every other piece. So this piece I'm going to turn this way around, this piece I'm going to turn this way around, and now if I bring these all together, if I were to stick these pages together like this, creating kind of a long extended M or W, that would be all that is needed to put it together. So we're nearly done. The last thing we need to do in order to take our Concertina sketchbook and turn it from the pages that we have like this, along M or W, into one of these, is to just put a cover on the front and back using something similar to hard cardstock or hard paper. Now really you just want to do this because it will make it look a bit more interesting, more like a photo album if that's the purpose you're using it for, or if you're going to get your students to use it and you've used paper inside, it will just protect the books a little bit more. So with a little bit of glue just around the edges, one on the front, one on the back, and you have it, your own Concertina sketchbook. Good luck with creating your own, and I'll see you next time.